going to show you a quick video on the Union Jet lights that we do for the R56. 3 different variants, all red, black and red and black. So we'll get on to removing it and then I can explain. These are little wires so on the back of them that everyone's getting confused. Those just clip off as you just see, and then there's 3 screws which you've taken out already. There and there. On the standard lights, if you're lucky, they'll just come out. If not, there's a clip there on the bottom, which I'll unclip now. I'll show you that. So basically, you've just got to push that up. It just locks it in while you're tying them up. So we'll get rid of the standard one. And then I'm going to wipe round this because people have commented on our other videos how to do the job. So for those who are a bit, let's get rid of all that while we're in here. There we go. So we're going to go with the all red ones, which are these nice OEM Plus red looking lights. So you'll notice on the bottom of them there's a little switch. So basically this switches the bottom light there from red to white. Now on this on the all red version, because of the smoked lens, that still shows through as amber, so you can't fit those to pre-LCI cars. They'll only fit the LCI car. So that's that bit with a switch, and I'll show you on the other variants in a minute. The indicator, which we'll show you. So as it's plugged in now with the yellow wire, plug those in. Just rest that there. Put the addeds on. So as you can see there, that's just a solid basic flashing indicator. So I'll turn them off. So if you unplug the little red wire, little yellow wire, that one, make sure you don't trap anything. Then you get the sweeping variant. So that's how you deal with that. So we'll go on, switch those off. So these are for LCI car. You can have all of them on the LCI. I'll just show you the other 2 variants now. You can unplug this one. Which you can. Struggling. We'll drop it. So I'll explain to you on these. So your black and white versions, which we call these, same scenario, and obviously this you're going to use as your brake light. So obviously once that's in there, the light up red, do exactly the same as those ones do. So obviously on this one, your fog light's in there, and your reverse light's there. On the pre-LCI you don't have that, and that's the need for the switch on there. So obviously just match which one you've got on that one. All the instructions are there, obviously if you don't get it. Little wiring loom showing you which one it's applicable for. So they'll fit both. They're the black ones. And then we have another version which is a mix of both. Again, these will fit both versions. Same scenario. You've got your little light at the bottom there. You've just got your red details there. So we'll go ahead and fit this red one, and then we can show you the... We're going to go with the sweeping indicators because we like that. And obviously there's no need to mess with the switch because that one's the bright light. So you plug those in. Place that up there. Turn them in to start with. So just doing a bit of a close-up on this section here, because obviously that fell out, so you can see, get in focus, a little square on there. So you push that through where this hook's going to basically lock on the bodywork, so you push that square in as best as you can. Just get that on there. It won't go in, just try another. Very chewed up, that one. You can see you push that through. There we go, and then it locks over like that. Now obviously that is just held on by them little tabs. You can see that one's wearing there and that one's wearing there. So just take care when you're screwing them back in. If you need to, put your hand through the boot and just hold it while you're screwing it up. They don't go anywhere, there's nothing in there, you can't lose it, you just have to do it all again like I just did. So we'll get back to the fitting. Okay guys, so we fixed that little blunder, as you can see him here ready. Going to put the light back in, and I'm just going to hold them clips there just to make sure I don't push them back through when I'm doing the light up. Get that in. These are the bits I don't normally sew. Just hold that clip. Light it up. Fine, didn't move at all. So is that one. That one up. And there we go. Next step, like I say, on these dead easy, just take it, line it all up, you'll feel it click on. So, just like that, a bit of a clean. I'll show you the sequence. So, on.
No.
No. On.
Yes, start up sequence.
Bright lights. Hazard lights. So there you go guys, on our website www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, sharing all the videos, etc. Till next time.